The production of tires, a traditional manufacturing industry, has ushered in a period of unprecedented transformation. Guizhou Tire has always stayed at the forefront of tire industry development, focusing on intelligent technology production system, functioning as the benchmark of the world's advanced level, building comprehensively green and intelligent factories, and establishing a new standard in the tire industry. In 1958, the first advanced tire was produced. In 1996, Guizhou Tire Factory was successfully listed on the Shenzhen Stock Exchange, subsequent to its implementation of shareholding reform. In 2014, Guizhou Tire launched its off-site relocation technological updating project. After weathering the storms of 60 years through thick and thin, this ace and long-standing industrial enterprise has turned to technology innovation and intelligent manufacturing transformation and upgrading to energize itself with new vim and vigor. Guizhou Tire gathers resources for innovation and a win-win future. In 2021, Guizhou Tire ranked 28th among the world's top 75 tire manufacturers. Its product specifications exceeded 3,000 varieties, including Advance, Samson, and other brands of truck, passenger car tires, OTR tires, agricultural machinery tires, industrial vehicle tires, and special vehicle tires. Guizhou Tire products can be found in the markets of over 130 countries and regions, covering the United States, Australia, Brazil, the European Union, Southeast Asia, and many others.